Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra and I'm a BTS Army as well as a Korean-Canadian family doctor. Today, I wanted to give a quick rundown of how I apply spaced repetition in Roam. Just as a quick review, Roam is a note-taking tool that makes networking your ideas simple and intuitive. I'm not going to cover the basics of Roam today as that's already a heavily discussed topic, and if you're new, there are some great videos that you can check out which go over its features. I'll also put the links in the description below. Now, Roam isn't the #1 tool for spaced repetition, especially if you have a lot of content to learn every day. For a large volume of content, apps like Anki are probably more suited as they make the flow of creating flashcards quite frictionless. Generally, I think Roam for spaced repetition will work great when you're able to build up knowledge at your own pace and aren't pressured by deadlines like exams. I like using Roam for spaced repetition because I can turn whatever I'm doing into a study card without interrupting the flow, and also have the context available for quick review. This makes studying more efficient for me since I don't have to waste time searching for information I've already studied before. So let's jump straight to it. Here's a template to make the spaced repetition system as smoothly flowing as I can for now. I'll show you how to create these templates yourself after I explain its components, and I've also linked my Share Templates page for your reference, which I'll keep updated. First is a question, followed by the review interval. This is my rough estimate of the generally accepted intervals. Feel free to change these to your liking. The review date will indicate the specific date as well as a month. This will be important for when you filter out the cards to study, which I'll demonstrate soon. Then you can add a tagging system if you'd like to help categorize your information. For me, it'd be based on medical specialties like cardiology, hematology, endocrinology. It could also be the language that you're learning. Then it's important to include tag of spaced repetition anywhere within that card because this will let you locate any spaced repetition card once you've created them, no matter where it is in Roam. The source and resource just help provide a bit more context and information to the card. If I got my information from a particular resource like an article, book, or video, I can make note of it for my reference so I can return to it if needed, or to cite it if I use the knowledge in my own content that I publish. If there are supplementary resources I might want to reference in the future to help understand the information better, that can go under the resources. If you commonly use the same source for your cards, you could also create another template pre-filled with that source to save you some typing. But again, one of the great things with Roam is that as long as a card is already nested within a page that has a context or mentions a source, you can be lazy and just leave it blank because you can always refer back. So making a template in Roam is easy. On any page, you type the title of your template, add tag Roam/template, and nest underneath that title the template that you actually want to use. Then to bring up the template, just type semicolon, and you can search by the template name and just enter. Now I'll show you how I use them. So first, search spaced repetition, and you can see all the cards tagged under it. This button here is a filter, and when it's red, it means that a filter is being applied. Now, it's currently April, but I'm pretty behind, so I still have a lot of cards from March that I have to review. I know that's so horrible. Oh well, I believe in self-leniency, so I like to just say whoops and keep moving on so I don't drive myself crazy. So I searched by March 2021, and all these cards I know I got a review because it's no longer March. And now let's search by April. This will now show cards that are also due later in April. Just ignore them and look for ones that are dated to today and earlier. This is a reason I like to tag all my cards with the date and the month, because it prevents any missed cards from slipping through the cracks. And I get peace of mind without having to backtrack by searching every single day to look for ones I haven't reviewed yet. And if you further wanted to narrow down your study session, then you can filter also by the tagging system that you've assigned. Let's say GI. And that's all. I hope you found my spaced repetition system helpful to find the way that works best for you. If you have any questions about this video, suggestions for improvement, or requests for other content you'd like to see, please leave a comment below. I'll be sure to check them out. And if you like this video, my video on how I use Roam for task management will be available here once I upload it next week. See you soon!